Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am your teacher Miss Sitwat. Dear student, in the last lesson we did count and write of page number 2. Now today we will do few and many from page number 3. So before starting our new work in countdown, I want to explain you one few and many. So let's start. Now what is it? Yes, we are in the garden. Oh, you can see kites in the sky. Oh, it's beautiful. Now let's do one kite. Now how many kites? Yes, these are few kites. Now these are many kites. Yes. Now move on the next one. Oh, beautiful flowers. One flower. These are few flowers, and these are, yes, these are many flowers. Very good. Now we will do page number 3. Topic is few and many. Count and write in the boxes. Color few blue and many red. So let's count the ducks first. 1, 2. So these are 2 ducks. You will write number 2 in the box. Now move on. Count the ducks again. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 ducks. Then you will write number 4 in the box. Now you will color the few blue and many red. So you will color the few ducks blue and many. In the many ducks you will do red. I hope you will understand this and you will do the same thing at home also. Now move on the next question. Count the pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will write number 5 in the box. Now move on. Count the pencils again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you will write number 7 in the box. And you will do the same thing over here. Now count the butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4. You will write number 4 in the box. And count the butterfly again in the next box. Only one butterfly. Oh, how many butterflies? Only one. So you will write number 1. And as you know, you will color the few. Which color you will do in the few things? Blue. And in the more things or many things, you will do red. So now move on the last one. Now count the fish. 1, 2, 3. These are 3 fish. Now move on the next box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 fish. So you will color the few fish. Which color you will do? Do you remember? Yes, you will do blue. And in the many fish you will do red. So I hope you will understand this and you will revise at home again. So take care and Allah Hafiz. Tata.